Okay, YouTube, I ended my last video early on accident. I accidentally clicked my mouse, and I'm gonna go get the sleeves to finish off the last video. It's gonna be 2 parts on X, and I'm sorry again. So sorry. So today I'm going to use a Score Bunny sleeve to sleeve this up, and yeah. We got a Torkoal V. So yeah, let's leave it up. Yeah, all that stuff right there, that's from the last video. I'm sorry I ended it early. Ready? Say, ooh. There we go. That's a good one. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm sorry about the last video. I'm so sorry.